If you are a chicken lover and also want to eat healthy dish, then must try this recipe. Let's make very healthy chicken lunch platter. Marinate the chicken with garlic, lemon juice, little amount of salt, cooking oil and coriander. Refrigerate it for 1 hour. Now boil the sliced carrot and beans in high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Now it's time to cook the chicken. Heat the pan, add the marinated chicken, cover it for 15 minutes in medium flame. You can add little amount of olive oil in the pan. Our platter chicken is ready. It's time to cook the vegetables. Heat another pan, add butter, saute the vegetables with coriander, chopped garlic, green chili and salt. Cook only for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it's time to cook the lemon garlic rice. Add some butter, garlic and coriander along with the boiled rice. Fry them for the 5 minutes with a high flame. Serve it hot with Korean cucumber salad. Believe me, it's so healthy, so tasty and so good. Stay connected with us and coming with the next video.